This tutorial will demonstrate how to extract a depth interval from an LAS file using the LAS application software. We begin by selecting the input files by clicking on the Select button or by selecting the file menu item File, Select Files. This form will open up, and for this example we will get example data that comes with the software and is located in the C LasApps directory under example data. And we will pick from the subdirectory Extract Depth Interval. We'll select all three of them by clicking the button here. Now our input directory is on the right hand side, and we'll click on Continue. The Extract Depth Interval is under More Tools, and it's right here. If this one is grayed out, then you're working with the free version of the LAS application software, and you will have to get the commercial version. And to get there, have a look at the help file under license info, and you can put your install key in here, or you can get your 30-day free trial. So back to processes, More Tools, Extract Data. This is the format that will come up, and it's already filled in for the first input file, which in this case is called well example number 1, and has a UWI of 100, 100, 100. The start depth of this file is 189, and the stop is 504. So for this example, we're going to give it a new start depth of 200 and a new stop depth of 400. These values fall within the start and stop depth of the input file, and therefore this should really cause no problems. Of these radio buttons, we're going to pick this bottom one, which says apply these new start and stop values to this file only. And we're doing that so we can demonstrate something else in the next example. Click, moves right along. It's already been finished processing the first file, and it's moved on to the second input file, which is called well example number 2, with the UWI of 200, 200, 200. And this one has a start depth of 983 and a stop depth of 1053. For this example, we're going to put in a new start depth of 900 and a stop depth of 1010. The new start depth of 900 is a lot less than the start depth of 983 of the input file, and therefore the output file, there is no data between 900 and 983, and therefore the output file will actually start at 983. As for the stop depth, it falls within the interval of the input file, and therefore the stop depth will be 1010. We'll apply this to this file only. Click Continue, and we've moved right along to example number 3, the third input file. And this one has a start depth of 189 and a stop of 504. What we're going to do for this one is we're going to give it a new start depth of 900 and a new stop depth of 1010. This new interval is outside the input file interval of this file. So this should cause either an error to happen, or it should cause an error to happen. So let's see what happens. Click Continue, and we're done. It doesn't say anything about errors here, but let's have a look under the View Events log. Here's the View Events log. It says we ran a routine called Extract an interval from LAS files. There's our first one, no sign of an error. Second one, looks good. Third one, there's a message here that says error, no common interval found, file skipped. Okay, we'll close these forms. And if we have a look under the View list of active files, we started with 3 files, so there should only be 2 here, and there are. And the one file with the error should be in the list of faulty files, and there it is. Close that form. We can now save the results by clicking on Save or File Save As. Get this. We'll put it into this directory here, and in there we'll create a new directory to avoid any overwriting issues with the input files. Click OK, and we're done. Thank you for watching.